So what we got here, I'll keep meaning to show this Stanley knife. This is a Stanley lot of tools. It's a 10-0-20. Don't know if you have them in America. This tightens, stops it coming out. Loosen it. Loosen it some more. There it comes. Tighten it. It's locked. That way. Tighten it. And yeah, it's quite sensible. Anyway, back to these. I can't tell you how much I paid yet, not till the end of the video, otherwise you'll click off it early. You'll wait to the end. Give me some minutes, give me some viewing time. Share the video. I need some new subscribers. No, I need more subscribers. Right, so this, I've had this a few weeks and just unwrapped it. Lovely. So bear in mind we're in England. Lovely channel lock there. 410 channel lock. A bit of damage inside the handles, but we'll fix that. More channel lock. Numbers 420. I like these ones. I think these are parrot. Yeah, these are parrot head. Lovely. Then we've got, oh, I don't know what that is. Someone will tell me in the comments. American as well. Then here we've got KD number 455, made in the USA. It does have a patent number. I think it's 1040420. The thing I love about tools is you're always finding out new ones. I have got no idea what this is either. Now, judging by this, I'm going to guess it goes in a circlip. Maybe there should be one this side as well. Yes. Alright. Interesting. Right. Then I'm going to guess this is made by the same company. Just because of the grips on the handles. These come from a mechanic's garage clearance. Brilliant. Someone can tell me what they are as well. Fantastic. So, you can see that there. In England we're used to something like this, made by Monument, and you open it up. I haven't got that pipe, unfortunately, sorry, but you put the pipe in and you turn it round, give it a twist, turn it round, give it a twist, turn it round, and eventually you'll cut through the pipe. It's only got one wheel on the Monument one. It's got 15 wheels on this. Obviously it's adjustable to different size pipes, and then I'm guessing you just put it on and keep turning and all those wheels will cut through it. Again, this is an American tool. KD 2031. Another patent number there, to look that up. Armstrong. Very interesting pliers, never seen pliers like that one. And a gold pair of slip pliers. These are made by Wild. Again, USA. Oh, I bought this lot because of the channel locks. Very hard to find in England. But these are interesting in the fact that I don't know what most of them are. No, 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 that is. These are interesting because I don't know what these three are. Well, if anyone can tell me, we'll call this one number 1 and call this one with the funny end number 2, and we'll call this number 3. If anyone can tell me what they're for, that'd be wonderful. Thank you very much. Oh, the price I paid. I paid £12 for everything. That's about $15. I think I've done all right there. Okay, bye for now.